Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. I'm back. So before, y'all already know the deal if y'all been here before. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, why not? Be like Nike and just do it. Hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and while you're at it, make sure that you click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time your girl comes at you with a new video. So now we got the particulars out the way. I am super late to this party, but who cares? It's better late than never. So I decided to pick up a Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. This is the Sapphire Obsessions. It just spoke to me. I was in Sephora, knew good and dang on well I didn't need to be in there, but I was in there, I bought this, and I was like, you know what, let me at least try it because I see a lot of people using the Huda Beauty. There's a little controversy on the foundations, but you know, let people live. So this is the look that I created with the palette that I bought. If you're interested in seeing how I created it, just keep on watching. I think I really like, I want to go in with this dark color right here, but I think I'm going to play it a little safe and just use this blue color right here. Shoot, they don't even have the names on them, I don't think. Maybe I'm reading this wrong. But anywho, I digress. I'm just going to go in with this color right here, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease until your girl feels good about it, and then we'll figure out what we're going to do from there. So I'm just kind of just pressing this in right now because, I mean, this is my first Huda Beauty palette that I'm working with. So because I don't know her, we're going to tread lightly. So what I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to take this teal shade right here, this one right here, and then I'm just going to buff it into my crease on top of this blue color just so I can see what happens, you know. At this point, we're just playing in makeup. See how I like it. But yeah, no, like I was saying, what was I even saying? I lost my train of thought just that quick. It must not have been that important. But shoot, what was I getting ready to say? It must not have been that important. Oh, that's what I was saying. So this part of the year is super busy for me because like everything happens in the springtime. So you have the Grammys in February, and then you have, I go to South by Southwest in March, so I have like literally a week, like maybe 2 or 3 weeks to recover and get myself together. And then in April, you have April and or May, you have Coachella first, and then you have in May, you have the ASCAP Expo, but sometimes they push that into either late April, early May, or they did one year, it was a terrible idea, they actually had it on like Easter weekend, which I was just like, come on now. And it was like the first weekend of Coachella, so I'm like, y'all, they learned their lesson this year. So I have that going on. And then in June you have the American Black Film Festival in Miami. Then July, Essence, and I'm not even going to talk about my birthday, which is in May, but just know your girl is going to turn up. So, you know, you've been warned now. So if you see all kind of vlogs and crap, like, you already know what it is. Okay. Let's see. I think I'm going to go back in with that blue color just to pack a little bit on because I feel like I've dusted a little bit of it away. And I actually kind of like this color. I don't know what exactly I'm doing at this point, but I am trying my level best to get back into a rhythm because I've been kind of out of it. And I knew I wanted to film today, and I was like, well, let me film with something that I haven't used before on my channel. Huda Beauty, everybody's talking about it, you know, everybody want to see if she's for the culture, not for the culture, if her palette suck or not. Like, you can Google Huda Beauty and y'all already know the deal. But I thought I'd give sis a chance, you know? Like, everybody deserves a chance. Like, we have become this culture where we're constantly canceling folk, but I'm just like, come on now. We are canceling people for the dumbest stuff. Like, something that happened 10 years ago, haven't you ever heard of the word forgiveness? Like, come on. Alright, so I'm getting ready to cut my crease. I like kind of where I'm going right now, so let's hope I don't mess it up. I'm going to take, I believe, this teal shade right here. And I'm just going to pack that onto my eyelids until I feel good about it. I think it's a cute color. I might use a couple of other colors on top of it, but for now, I'm just gonna stick with the shimmery teal. Let's see what happens. Alright, now, and to give it a little bit more pizzazz, I'm going to go ahead and take, some setting spray. And you all know the drill. Spritz away and reload until I like what I see. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same dirty little wipe. This is why I don't care about precision, because I'm gonna just take this little dirty little wipe that I've been using this entire time, and I'm just gonna kind of pull my eye back just a little bit. Not enough to give me wrinkles later on in life, but just enough to make sure everything is seamless. So I think I'm gonna go back in with this blue shade on this smaller detail brush and kind of figure out what to do, because I'm lost right now. I'm so lost. All right, I'm about to throw in the flag, the white flag. Okay, so I went on ahead and tread very, very carefully, and I just kind of took my makeup wipe and basically wiped away what I didn't like, because I mean, it's makeup. But yeah, no, it's coming together a little bit better than I thought. You know, I had to get rid of a little bit of the turquoise, because I mean, your girl was out here doing too much. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm done with my eyes. I'm not. So I am going to finish the rest of my eyes. Go ahead and throw on some lashes, mascara, and eyeliner, and then we will come back for the face, okay? But I wanted you all to see my masterpiece, you know? You can clean up anything with a makeup wipe. I mean, shout out to you, Neutrogena. Not sponsored, but shout out to y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure that you like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of. You know, help me help you. It's about to be a busy, busy year. Busy, busy season, actually, because spring is upon us. I can feel the warmth outside. I'm like, yes, I'm so excited. But yes, y'all, remember, until my next upload, that kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So until my next upload, remember to be kind and be you.